And she was really funny because she was like, when are we going to grab your camera? You're going to record this because I want to take these stickers off. That's why I was like, don't do it until we can record it. And she's like, you need to bring the camera then. What's up everyone, welcome back to One Strange Adventure. Welcome to the next video. In today's video, we are starting to move into our Grand Design Solitude. If you don't know, we purchased a 2026 Solitude 417 KB.
We don't know what KB stands for yet.
Kitchen in the back.
Maybe. I
don't know.
That might be what it is.
Probably closest. So one of the first things you do when you move into a new RV is
remove all the wonderful stickers.
remove all these stickers. Like today, we're going to be like, we're going to start this video just by counting the sheer number of stickers and tags that are inside this thing.
There's tags everywhere. There's stickers everywhere. The refrigerator has 2 on the door, 2 inside.
Is there anything in the pantry?
I don't know. Let's see.
If you haven't caught it yet,
No.
go
There's
watch our previous video, and that kind of shows you our buying experience and a quick walkthrough. We're going to do a more in-depth walkthrough, just kind of like as we learn where we're going to put things and stuff like that. We're going to obviously do a full tour.
It's all different. Like,
Yeah.
it's so different.
It is totally different. I mean, look how spacious this thing is.
Like this, one example of something that's different is there isn't the little slide-out drawer for your oil and vinegar and salt, pepper.
Yep.
So
It's
we gotta
different.
figure out where to put everything.
All right, so we're going to start counting stickers on the inside because it is blazing hot outside.
Yes.
So we're just going to start inside.
So
All right, sticker number 1.
round of applause for the pet pull-out dish, the screen defender, and the leash latch, which are amazing designs.
Sticker number 1 gone.
But I need
That
it
is
all.
the first sticker we pulled off of our new home.
So
One sticker.
the electronics drawer. That's because this has
Oh yeah,
it has plugs.
there's a plug inside the drawer. That's where all of our remotes are at the moment.
Oh, so for those of you who do not know what the pet drawer is, it's this right here.
Look at that. Although, our little Chihuahua Pixie, she would have to stand in that drawer to get to that water ball.
Yeah.
And our dogs, I don't know that our dogs will even use those because we have our own water bowls. So if not, that's a drawer we get back.
Right.
So we'll see.
But it's an awesome design for people that have a dog that's the right size, or they only have one dog and you
Yeah.
need food and water, together. That's a cool design.
All right,
All right, so 2.
we got 3 more stickers right there.
All right, hold on, turn it off this
Okay, sorry.
space rack.
So this is tag sticker number
To
3.
spice things up, and that is for this piece that comes out, and then you push and it drops down. I would imagine it comes down by itself when you have things in it, but right now it's stiff. Do we want to remove this sticker?
Oh, another sticker.
Does that count?
Push to release. I mean, I guess we don't need it. So is that sticker number 4?
It's sticker number 3.
4. Well,
Sticker number 3, tag is the number 1.
all right, so we've done 4 things so far.
Yes. And I can't see up there, so don't ask me.
Number 4 labeled, all right? We've got 5, 6, and 7 sitting right here.
Are you removing those?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, it's gonna be residue. I don't think these are meant to be removed.
Probably not, but I'm not leaving one.
You don't want to just hang a picture over it?
Oh, I guess we could have. Well, that one's gone.
It's got stickiness.
All right. We might just put a picture over those.
Okay, we're not touching those ones.
All right. Or we'll come back when we have some like stuff to get rid of it. All right.
We need some goo gone.
Fridge. So we've got 4, 5, 6, 7. This is number 8.
So redefining luxury on the road. It had, oh, this is for the sink. So it says you have a colander, which would be this one. Just to drain things.
That's for like veggies and produce, right?
And then you
I
have
guess veggies
a
are
cutting
produce.
board.
Oh, Grand Design cutting board. Look at that.
We need it open.
And then a big sink.
And then you have a soap dispenser built in,
Okay.
a cup rinser.
I like the cup rinser.
This is a waterfall.
Makes me feel like I own Starbucks now.
And then this is a 3-way spray nozzle.
Okay.
What it doesn't tell you is we also have a strainer, like a separate strainer. So it's pretty cool.
Okay, so that's...
I don't know how it all goes together though. I don't think we fit.
That's alright. Alright, number 9 is still in the fridge.
They're dining ready. And this is just Don Clark.
We should keep it up, just have a portrait of Don Clark in our Grand Design.
I think we can do a picture from like when we took a picture with him at the rally and stuff.
Thank you, Mr. Clark.
Alright, this has got double-sided tape on it. So it's being a little tricky. Hold on. There we go. There we go.
Alright, number 9.
This is about the warranty. Service is best in the industry with great community. I will say, our Grand Design community has been amazing over the years.
Yes.
We've met a lot of wonderful people.
Yep. That's number 9. Alright, check pantry.
We checked the pantry.
Oh, did we?
But in the refrigerator, I know there's one.
Oh. There's 10 and 11 right there.
Yep. This one's supposed to be stuck. Yeah. It has a they just didn't stick
Okay.
it.
So that's 10.
And then this one
Is stuck.
is stuck.
11.
11. Big Adventure. So this is called the Norcold 12-volt refrigerator.
Alright, we're at 11 stickers / labels, and we're still in the kitchen. I was just looking, what if there's something in the drawer? We don't want to miss anything.
Alright, we're clear.
Alright. Clear.
Clear. And clear.
What about under the sink?
Look at this little cup.
I do like that. What about under the
I
sink?
just checked all of them.
Okay.
Where you can see it, but I know that there's one on the window.
Inside?
Inside. I think it's on this one.
Look at that. Hiding away.
Well, it's hot out, so we kept the blinds down.
Number 12, right there. Apex Custom Furniture.
This is about climate control technology, skin friendly and non-allergenic.
We've got 3 couches in here, so we have plenty of seating and entertainment
Let's check the
area.
windows.
I love how they framed in the windows in this one.
Yeah, it looks nice. I can't reach those. I don't think they're anything up there.
Where do you... Oh. Alright, let's look up here. Nope,
But we're good.
we're good up there. Anything in the bathroom? This is a little half bath. Drawer.
There's stickers that say do not remove.
Yeah.
So those don't count. We're not going to count those. Nope, we're good.
Okay.
There is a Max Air fan up here. I don't know if I tell them that. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So there's three Max
3 Max Air fans in here?
three
Yeah, because
air
there's...
conditioners and 3 Max Air fans.
In this 1.8, I can't believe how quiet and how efficient that 1 AC is.
Yeah, so
It's comfortable in here.
it's like 92 degrees outside right now.
And it's comfortable in here.
It's 82 in here.
Yeah, it says it's 82, but there's
it doesn't-
airflow.
Right, it doesn't feel like there's 82. So.
The coach is 82 degrees with this 1 mil AC going. That's just totally different than what we've experienced before.
Okay, so no more stickers.
There's one right there.
Well, I'm lying. There's a sticker right there, but I can't get it off until we go outside.
Right, we're gonna. Oh, it is outside.
Outside.
All right, that's next year's sticker. We will not. Oh, hold on.
That's an outside one.
This is an inside. That's number 13.
This one
Number
says,
14 is right there in the door seal.
this one says preps for your internet preferences. Industry first Omni Connect Internet Prep. Gen 3 Starlink Wi-Fi and 4G LTE.
So there's a nice little setup in there. All right, so that's 14. That's
You just said that one was 14.
let's go to the B-reel. Let's go to the playback. We went back to the film. Confirmed it is number 15. But it does have a Wi-Fi kind of prep station in here, so we're going to figure out how that goes with our Starlink.
Alright, and then this says Sleep Easy with CPAP shelves / nightstands, USB-C, and 110 outlets.
All right, so what it's referring to, these little wings on the side of the bed there, it's your CPAP, and then you have outlets on the wall and charging ports for the phones.
Well, that, and also there's a plug right here if you wanted to put the CPAP right here. I don't think anybody's would reach that far, but just in case.
Okay, so that's number
16?
16.
Good. I don't think any of the drawers have anything in them.
Anything inside the desk area?
Nope.
No.
Nope.
Anything inside that one?
Nope.
Anything in this one?
Nope.
Nope.
And then, nope.
Exit sticker doesn't count.
I don't think there's any more in here. I didn't check behind the door though. I don't think there would be.
Nope.
So it's number 17.
Number 17.
Hair tool accessory drawer. So what that means,
It's the
it's this piece.
yeah.
It
Over right there.
has for your hair straightener and hair dryer, so it doesn't like burn anything.
It comes with mixing cups.
Mixing cups, and there's a plug in there, so you can keep it plugged
Sweet.
in. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And then I don't think there's anything.
Just the toilet paper holder. We gotta figure out where
Yep.
that would roll. I mean, anything on the shout? Yeah. Yeah.
Tri-slide series.
Which number is this one? 18.
18.
I would love to
I
go.
guess from them testing it.
I would love to go get one of those other shower doors. The squeegee one that opens all the way.
I would love for us to take it to Matt and get him to
It's so much lighter.
ceramic coat it.
Yeah.
That'd be cool too.
I can't wait to like open the bay up and kind of see how everything is run. Learn this new RV.
Learn the new system.
Yep, and then there's another one in the shower. That's number 19.
You want to scan in close to it for the model number? We need that.
No, serial number for our shower.
I don't know what we need that for, but
19. Going. All right. Anything in there? Nope. Anything in there? Nope. Here's number 20.
clothes hamper.
It's a clothes hamper. So that if you don't know, this one has a little netting built in.
What number is that?
20. Nothing in there. I mean, other than the center line for vent dryer drill out that I'm gonna
Eventually
use and get sick when I do it.
Alright. So that's the whole inside of the rig.
Yep, 20 stickers / labels.
20 tags.
20 tags in a new RV.
But there is a whole slew of paperwork
Oh, and the tire link.
that comes with your rig.
So this one has TPMS built in, or actually in the tires, and it comes with tire link part.
And then if you connect it to your phone, it says that you can connect it to CarPlay
Cool.
for your truck,
Nice.
for a vehicle. And so while there's not any more stickers on the rig itself, all of your different manufacturer owner manuals and stuff, there's all in here with more stickers.
And she was really funny because she was like, when are we going over? Grab your camera. You're going to record this because I want to take these stickers off. That's why I was like, don't do it until we can record it. And she's like, you need to bring the camera then because
So we've
these stickers are gone.
We've had this rig for 3 days. 3 days. And he hasn't let me take the stickers off.
We had to record for you guys.
But I wanted to take the stickers.
Just wanted to... All right.
So he's like, what are we doing today? We're like, taking stickers off.
Okay, well that's just inside, so 20 on the inside.
On the inside.
So let's go count and see how many are on the outside.
It's hot outside.
It's hot outside. I'm not going to take them all off right now. I'm just going to walk around and count. I guess I'll start right here in this corner because there's a lot. 1, 2. I'm not going to count this one because it's always there. I'm not going to count this one. I'm not going to count this one. This is 3. 4. Well, 4, 5, 6. 6 right here. 7. That badging's gonna go. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. No, nothing else over here. Nothing else over here. Looks like we're good. Looks 15. Up. 16.
How many's out there?
So you want to know how many are out there? How many did we have inside?
20.
Take a guess.
Well, I knew that there is the general RV one on the front, and there's like 3 right here at the door. So that would be 5. So I would say probably 7.
16. There are 16 stickers and badges of General RV on the outside of this thing.
That's funny.
So we're gonna, all together, 36.
36.
36 things. And I didn't even look in the days, so there might be some more in the days. But 36 labels that we have to get rid of. All right, there you have it, guys. 36 labels, stickers on this thing.
Our weight. It says that the unit vehicle weight is 15,884 pounds. The hitch weight is 3,378 pounds. Left side is 6,098. Right side is 6,408.
Oh wow!
That's because of the refrigerator.
400 pounds more on the right side, so.
It's because the refrigerator's on the right.
So when I put some batteries in, I'll have to make sure I have some to the left.
Yes. Put them in like in the generator bay.
Yeah, actually that's perfect place.
Freshwater, for anybody's wanting to know, we can hold 83 gallons. If you have it full, that's 689 pounds.
Gray water, 106 gallons. Wastewater, 106 gallons. So that's actually more than what the Momentum would do. The gray water on the gray water and waste on the Momentum would be 80. It was 80 gallons. And our freshwater was actually 120 something with the overflow. So it holds less fresh water, but it holds more waste.
So, question, is this both gray tanks together, or?
Yeah, it's going to be combined.
It's the combined of 2? So,
and
we have to, I'm sure in the manual somewhere it'll tell us how many is in each one.
Yeah, and the carrying capacity is 3,056 pounds. So, we'll just keep an eye on it. All right, well, that does it for today's video. It was literally just counting stickers and seeing what else we could get into. But
I will say, the owner's manual bag is very important. It has all of your information. It has QR code spots, so when you're finding QR codes throughout the rig, you can just tape them all onto one sheet. So they're there for you. Most of it all has your VIN number, so when you call for servicing, they'll always ask you for your VIN number. So it's like everywhere. So make sure you have that.
and we're gonna do a video that kind of dives deeper into that stuff. All right, guys. Well, see you next video.